Time for another trip to the mall. Gonna go get some clothes. Time for some back to school shopping. Oh, I feel like the elevator has just sped up, probably past 88 miles per hour. I think I'm gonna be sick. Everything looks weird. Tell me what day it is?
It is July 25th, 1985.
1985?
Yeah, 1985. Just like any other day.
Huh. Cool. Man, 1985. That guy must have been a joke. Maybe not. That looks like the 80s.
And so he went in search of the elevator that would bring him back to the current year. It was a nostalgic walk, looking back at how he goes to this mall all the time, but how different it had become in present day today. As he walked along, he thought about his original spot in the vast expanse of what is called time, and hoped he could get back to his original spot in time again.
I have to get back to the future, but I don't think this is a time-traveling elevator. We'll find out when these doors open. Nope. Still in 1985. Whoa, this one's pretty nice. This is like the Cadillac of elevators. This should be a nice luxury ride back home. Whoa. This one's really shaky and kind of shiny. Let's hope it works. Nope. It has been a long day. This elevator looks familiar. Whoa! Oh God, what just happened?
I am a time-traveling elevator, and I have teleported you back to 1985!
Time-traveling elevator? Well, I knew that.
No, you didn't.
Listen here, Disembodied voice. What I need you to do is take me back to my own time.
Well, guess what? I'm not gonna do that.
Well, if you're not gonna do it, I'm gonna do it myself. Time to press random buttons.
Time to activate the Mind Zap to the future!
Oh, God. Oh,
Guess it was just a bad dream. I don't even remember falling asleep. But I hope I never go to that mall again. Man, I still got work to do. What time is it? What? Whoa! How did my watch get like this? Why is it all futuristic? Hold on. What did that say? 2085? No!